In this video, I will be showing you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and move my cursor up to the search bar. I'm going to type in Instagram Reels and hit enter to see the available templates. Now I can browse through the various designs until I find one that fits my style. I'll scroll down and take a look at the options. I like this animated motivational quote template, so I'll click on it to open the preview and then select Customize this template to start editing. Once the editor loads, I'll click on the main text element to highlight it. I'm going to change the text to Live in the Moment. Next, I'll click on the Font drop-down menu at the top. I'll scroll through the list and select Above the Beyond script to give it a more elegant look. Now I'll click and drag the text to reposition it and use the corners to adjust the size so it sits perfectly in the center. I'll also move these small decorative icons to better frame the text. To add some extra flair, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left. I'll search for sparkles and click See All under the Graphics section. I'll choose these golden sparkles and drag them onto my design. I'll scale them down and place them near the text to finish off the look.